Bitcoin ETFs are now trading. You can see several of them are in the red. That includes the Bitwise ETF. Let's get to Bob Pisani with the Bitwise CIO. Bob, over to you.
And Matt Hogan's here, an old friend of mine, known him for many years. It finally happened. How mmany years? 11 years we've been waiting for this, since the Winklevoss twins. Bitwise, here it is, folks, trading right here, the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF. Your thoughts on the trading, specifically. Tell us how the volumes, how's the demand, how's the spread?
Yeah, we're really excited to bring the lowest cost Bitcoin ETF to market, expense ratio of just 20 basis points on BitB. The initial trading, I think, has exceeded our expectations. There's tens of millions of dollars of trading in our ETF. Spreads are pretty tight. There's a lot of demand on the buy side, so you're seeing some slight premium in our ETF and other ETFs. That's people coming into the Bitcoin market. That's what we want to see. Those spreads will tighten over time, but it's already the lowest cost way to access Bitcoin that I think American investors have ever had.
I just want to show you the panel here. So 2.5 million shares changing hands here. Here's Grayscale, 34 million, but this is an established product. 20 million over at, north of 20 million over at the iShares. This volume is good. Now, I want to just show somebody here, Matt. You can explain this to us. The spread here, 41 to 52. The bid ask, 25.41 to 52, 11 cents or so. And you're saying there's huge demand. People are just coming in. That's why it's a slightly wider spread.
Yeah, I mean, for starters, that's a pretty good spread, particularly when you pair it with BitB's 20 basis point expense ratio. But that spread is going to come in. You're seeing demand on the buy side. That's why the ask is where it is. But again, we expect that to bring in. These ETFs eventually should trade a penny, a few pennies wide. That's what we'll see in a week or so. Some people are getting in early, some people are waiting, but it's a big day for Bitcoin.
Now, a lot of people are asking me, okay, wait a minute, don't these track Bitcoin? We're up 1.7, here's Grayscale down 0.6. Explain why this is not a good day to say it should track it, but this is not the right day.
These will track Bitcoin very well over the long term. They're buying and holding Bitcoin in a custodian. That's all they're doing. You're seeing some variance in demand. Grayscale, an existing product, so maybe more people moving into lower fee products. Bitwise, a new product, more demand on the buy side. But these are both great products. There are a lot of great products out there. Again, this will normalize over time. But these are probably the easiest way for people to get peace of mind when they're buying Bitcoin that have ever existed. It's day one. There's going to be 1,000 days of it. It's a very exciting moment.
Big volume and relatively tight spreads. You should be happy. And it looks like the other 9 are also doing well on top of that. Matt Hogan, thanks very much. Always appreciate it. Frank, big day. Back to you.
Yeah, very big day. Bob Pisani right here at the New York Stock Exchange. Bob, thank you very much. So earlier today, we also heard from the Grayscale CEO, Michael Sonnenschein, on Squawk Box this morning. His Bitcoin ETF is the priciest product on the market with the highest fee. He was pressed on how he plans to compete. Here's what he had to say.
We've been prepared for a world in which there are multiple spot products. GBTC has certainly been the product that has forged the path for all of these other issuers to come to market. Our court victory, our guts, our operations, our disclosures, our work with the SEC. Investors should have choice, but GBTC is coming to market in a very differentiated way. It is going to be, as of this morning, the second largest spot commodity ETF in the world. It has $28 billion of assets under management. And other issuers may try and differentiate on fees. For GBTC, it's about size, liquidity, and track record.
All right, GBTC down just about 0.5% right now. Bryn, you own the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Your thoughts on those comments and the action in the market right now?
I think it was somewhat of a, buy the rumor, sell the news. We all debated if it's going to be that or the opposite. But I do think it's important. All of these 10 other ETF providers owed a huge debt of gratitude to Michael and his team for actually suing the SEC, having the court side with them, because none of these would exist without that. And I believe there's about $28 billion in GBTC that was in the trust that's now converted. And so I think it was at 2%. Now it's at 1.5%. So I think there's a lot of embedded capital gains. So for the short term, those assets I think will be very sticky. Longer term, we all know what happens to fees. In our business, they get compressed. So a year and a half, 2 years from now, I would think there's no way it's still at 1.5%. But they've just been a visionary in the space, and so I think that's why they're going to keep their fees there as long as they can.
Also, they're making like $2 million a day. So you wouldn't be in a rush to cut fees either. Yeah, I think it'll be really fun to watch, because a month from now we'll probably stop talking about some of these, and it'll be pretty clear some of these will capture the attention of investment advisors like myself.
Right.
The RIA channel, eventually maybe the wirehouse brokerage channel. That'll be one horse race. Liquidity is really important to hedge funds who need to get in and out. That'll be a different horse race, and maybe that's the one Sonnenschein wins. But there will be a different version for different users, and we see examples of that in a lot of different asset classes. I just don't think there are going to be 10 of them.
I agree.
Right.
So,
I think a lot of people don't think that. Just in general, what percent of a portfolio do you think an RIA is going to make something like this?
I mean, we were like a little bit too ahead of our time. We launched an index product with Wisdom Tree a couple of years ago, right before Sam Bankman-Fried, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Right. So I'm like a bad example. We have clients that are interested. Those are the clients who we allocate to the index product. So last year was a good year. The year before was terrible. But we don't like go out and say, you should do this.
Right.
We have a solution if people want to do it. And our solution, of course, is passive. It's an index. Okay. It's tax efficient, but like we're not running around screaming.
There's no one size fits all. Got it.
No, some clients shouldn't, and some clients should. And it's, All right.